Hey everybody, it's John Thomas and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on the video today. I have received recently a ton of positive feedback about my drone footage that I took. Not that it was great footage, but just that it was really cool to see Tianjin from the sky. So I thought for today's video, I would make an attempt again to do that. So if you weren't able to watch my previous video when I tried to fly my drone, here's the moment where security stopped me from doing that. No. So although it's not illegal in Tianjin to fly a drone, there's a lot of security guards that just say, no, you're not gonna do that here, not in my park. So I thought today I would take a little bit of a different approach, and one, I will be avoiding all touristy areas for flying the drone because I think that that will be a huge mistake. Two, I'm gonna avoid a crowded area. The drone tends to attract a lot of attention. People are really curious to know what I'm doing when I am flying my drone around, and so I thought that I need to find an area that is not overpopulated. And the third thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to get different drone shots from throughout the day. It's already 3 o'clock in the afternoon, so I thought that I would shoot an afternoon. It's a little foggy though, slash smoggy outside, so that might not be the best situation, but that's what Tianjin looks like on a typical day. So I'm gonna show you that footage. And then secondly, I thought I'd fly my drone tonight, where the lights are on and it's really pretty, and I'll try to get by the river and see if you can see the bridges all lit up, because I think that'll be really cool footage as well. And then third, I'll try to get some footage tomorrow when it is hopefully a little bit of a clearer day. So that's the plan. What are we waiting for? Let's get outside and fly that drone. Let's go. So I made an attempt to try to fly my drone, and that didn't work. It started raining. So I thought what I would do is show you the different parts of the drone, since maybe you're unfamiliar with the kind of drone that I'm using. And so I thought I would do that here in this awesome brew house that I came upon in the Wudadao district here in Tianjin. It's called Rich Goose Beer Company, and it's a pretty awesome place. So cool. You can see all the brewery stuff behind me. That's pretty awesome. Let me show you a little bit of the drone. So the drone that I have is the DJI Mavic Mini. It's a really cool drone. It's really small. Oop, they just started playing music. Here is the actual flying piece, and it like opens up, which is pretty awesome. And then the camera is right in here. So you take this piece off, and then you've got the gimbaled camera here. So that's what takes all of your footage. And then it comes with 3 batteries. So each one lasts about 30 minutes. And this goes in the actual device. So it comes with 3 in this case, which is really great because you can take them in and out. And then you have the remote control that connects to the phone. So all of those together really make for a great user experience. Can't wait to show you guys some of the footage once I get off the ground. Alright, you gotta check out these fries that I got. They're so good. What? I love a good French fry, and I think these are gonna be amazing. Yeah. Delicious. Alright, so I'm here with the drone, and I realized that I'm in a restricted height area on this side of the river, so I can't go very high. So you're gonna get just a shorter version. Not a shorter, what's the word I'm looking for? You're gonna get a lower version of the drone tonight. I'm gonna try to capture some of the sunset tonight, but I am super pumped to give this a shot. at least try to practice a little bit. I am nervous that I am over the water. I can't make that much of a mistake, otherwise I've lost my drone forever into the abyss of the water. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm flying this on the river in downtown in Tianjin, and it feels fantastic. All right, let's go for it. It is almost sunset. It is 7:15. It's supposed to be sunset at 7:18. You can see it starting to go down. So I think that I will try to fly it as it gets a little bit darker, just because I want to see what the images look like, and I want you guys to be able to see what that looks like also. So once that's done, then I'll probably head home for the night, and I'll see what I can do tomorrow to get us even more drone footage. So I know the sunset wasn't super impressive. I'm gonna try to maybe get sunrise tomorrow. We'll see what happens with my sleep schedule tonight. But that was fun. There were a couple people that passed by who were just like, check that drone out. A lot of kids were like, oh, that's so cool. They didn't really say that, but you could sense it. All right, so there was the drone footage from today. I know we got a little bit of the afternoon footage here on the river and a couple of shots with the sun going down. It's a really cloudy day, but it was cool to see the lights come up. And so tomorrow we will try this again. All right, so that concludes day one of the drone usage. I'm looking forward to tomorrow where I get to maybe experiment, and hopefully it's a clearer day out, because Tianjin with a blue sky day is just spectacular, and I want to capture that in the drone footage for you guys so you can see it, so that it makes you want to come to Tianjin and come visit this pretty amazing city. So with that, I will say goodnight, and I will catch you tomorrow. Bye. Alright, so I decided to try to fly my drone again. I'm being a little rebellious, and I feel probably a little overconfident, but I'm going to try to fly the drone again. I'm going to try to just put it up in the air really quick so I can get a shot of this amazing view, and then I'll bring it back down again to kind of end the night. I thought I would be done, but I was like, I'm gonna try to get this view in here because it's just so pretty. I wish that it was not as smoggy today, because that would be even better, but it's still quite fun to see all the lights. So wish me luck. I hope I'm not too overconfident and that somebody's gonna stop me and tell me that what I'm doing is totally wrong. Let's see. Alright, so I set it up, super pumped. I know you've already seen it. I hope you enjoyed it. I just did it for like a minute because I didn't want to get stopped and I didn't want anybody to erase it. So excited that that was done. I headed home for the night, and I'll see you guys in the morning. All right, good morning. It is 5:30 a.m. Whew, it's early, and I have come out here to fly my drone. I was able to actually, on my bike ride over, stop and capture a part of the sunrise, which I think is really cool, so I'm gonna hopefully be able to show you guys that. And then I also am going to send up the drone here in front of the St. Regis Hotel. This is a really popular part of the downtown area. When the river freezes over, this is where people come to kind of go out on the river. And there's people fishing and people already running. This is definitely the place to put up the drone, and definitely the time, because there's not a ton of people out. So, but I know this place will be very busy here shortly, so the earlier the better. Check out the St. Regis Hotel and the surrounding areas. Thank you so much for joining me today on my drone practice. I hope that you had fun watching a little bit more of Tianjin from the sky. Sunrise this morning was awesome to be able to see. So, secret, I have never woken up that early just to see the sunrise here in Tianjin. So that was a real special moment for me this morning to capture that on video. I thought that was a really cool thing to see, and it was really fun to practice. That DJI Mavic Mini is such a cool drone. So I know I didn't zoom in and out of things, and that will come, I promise. I just wanted to use this weekend to continue to practice how to use that drone. Being in downtown, I can't fly the way that I would normally want that to fly. So I know that there's so many more things that it's capable of doing, and I cannot wait to make that happen. So I hope you enjoyed this view of Tianjin over the last 2 days. I know the clips weren't very long, but it's just such an eclectic city with the different types of architecture that it's really cool to see that from above. So I hope you enjoyed that. If you do want to see more of the drone shots, then please click the video down below. That video is the first time that I did the drone shots where I got shut down in the beginning of this video. You can see kind of the story that led up to that. You guys have such a great day, and I will see you in the next video. All right, bye.